In the fast-paced world of healthcare, managing patient interactions and evaluating performance is crucial for success. Meet our healthcare management team, striving to optimize operations and enhance patient care. They faced several challenges in their quest for improvement. Integrating data from multiple sources proved difficult, hindering efficient analysis. Standardizing data from various systems and departments seemed like an uphill battle. Real-time analytics and visualization were limited, slowing down critical decision-making. The management team sought a comprehensive solution to address these challenges and unlock the full potential of their organization. They aimed to optimize resources, comply with regulations, and enhance operational standards. But how would they achieve these goals? Introducing Luminor, the game-changing analytics platform that would transform their operations. With Luminor's powerful dashboards, managers gained accurate and nearly real-time insights into critical metrics. Automation streamlined data processing, saving time and effort. Effective communication and collaboration across departments became a reality. Key performance indicators allowed managers to regulate equipment supply, monitor doctor engagement, and identify areas for improvement. With Luminor, our management team made informed decisions, saving time and costs. Patient care improved as bottlenecks were identified and resolved promptly. The results speak for themselves. Our management team achieved $10 million in productivity yields and cost savings, while saving an incredible 900 man-hours. Luminor simplified their analytics journey, empowering them to thrive in the ever-evolving healthcare landscape.